David Ausubel's Advanced Organizer Theory for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. David Ausubel's Advanced Organizer Theory is a significant contribution to cognitive learning theory, emphasizing the importance of meaningful learning over rote memorization. Ausubel believed that learners acquire new knowledge by anchoring it to their existing knowledge, and he proposed advanced organizers as instructional tools to facilitate this process. This theory highlights the role of cognitive structures in learning and the organization of knowledge to enhance retention and comprehension. Here is a detailed 16-mark answer on the theoretical framework of Ausubel's Advanced Organizer Theory, along with its educational implications. Theoretical framework of Ausubel's Advanced Organizer Theory. Ausubel's theory of meaningful learning distinguishes between rote learning, memorization without understanding, and meaningful learning, where new knowledge is integrated with existing knowledge. He argues that meaningful learning occurs when new information is consciously and intentionally related to relevant concepts that learners already know. Advanced organizers are instructional strategies used to help bridge this gap. 1. Meaningful learning versus rote learning. Rote learning. This refers to memorizing information without fully understanding it. It is isolated from prior knowledge, leading to temporary retention and shallow understanding. Meaningful learning. In contrast, meaningful learning is achieved when learners can connect new information to their existing cognitive structure. This type of learning is conceptual and results in deeper, more permanent knowledge retention. Though cognitive structure. Ausubel emphasized the importance of the cognitive structure, which refers to the organized set of ideas and knowledge that a learner already possesses. Cognitive structures consist of hierarchical relationships, with broader, more general concepts at the top and specific, detailed concepts at the bottom. When new information is presented, learners attempt to assimilate it into their existing cognitive structure. The success of this process depends on how well the new material relates to what they already know. If there is no connection between the new material and existing knowledge, learning becomes rote. Teen Advanced Organizers. An advanced organizer is a tool or instructional strategy that is presented before new learning material. It provides a conceptual framework that helps students integrate new information into their existing cognitive structure. Advanced organizers act as a scaffolding or bridge, facilitating meaningful learning. Advanced organizers have the following characteristics. They are abstract, general statements that provide an overview of the upcoming material. They help learners understand how new information is structured, giving them a big picture or framework. They do not necessarily contain specific content from the lesson but help learners relate new concepts to prior knowledge. There are two main types of advanced organizers. Expository organizers. These provide new, unfamiliar information that learners can use to understand and integrate the new material. They introduce a general idea that helps students connect to new concepts. Example: before teaching a lesson on ecosystems, the teacher might introduce the concept of interdependence, explaining that all living things depend on each other for survival. Comparative organizers. These are used when the learners are already familiar with the content and need help distinguishing between old and new ideas. They compare and contrast the new material with the learner's prior knowledge. Example: when introducing the concept of photosynthesis, the teacher might compare it with cellular respiration, a process students have already learned, highlighting the similarities and differences. Char subsumption theory. Ausubel's theory of learning is often referred to as subsumption theory, where new information is subsumed or incorporated into existing cognitive structures. According to Ausubel, Learning takes place by subsuming new concepts under more general ideas that already exist in the learner's mind. The degree of meaningful learning is determined by how effectively this subsumption process occurs. Derivative subsumption. When new material is an example or extension of a previously learned concept. Correlative subsumption. When new material modifies or extends the learner's existing knowledge. Part, retention and forgetting. Ausubel also discussed the impact of meaningful learning on retention and forgetting. He argued that meaningful learning leads to better retention because new information is more deeply processed and linked with prior knowledge. Conversely, rote learning leads to rapid forgetting since the new material is isolated and lacks connections to existing knowledge. Educational implications of Ausubel's advanced organizer theory. Ausubel's theory has important implications for teaching and curriculum design. By using advanced organizers and focusing on meaningful learning, educators can enhance students' understanding, retention, and ability to apply knowledge. 1. Effective use of advanced organizers in teaching. Improved learning and understanding. Teachers should use advanced organizers at the beginning of lessons to provide an overview or context for new material. These organizers help students develop a mental framework, making it easier to assimilate new information. For example, in a history class, the teacher might present a timeline of events before discussing a specific historical period, helping students place new details within the broader context. Bridging the gap between old and new knowledge, advanced organizers help learners make connections between prior knowledge and new material. Teachers should assist students' prior knowledge and design advanced organizers that link old concepts with new information. For instance, when teaching advanced topics in mathematics, the teacher can review foundational concepts that are essential for understanding more complex topics. Enhancing conceptual learning. Ausubel's theory emphasizes the importance of conceptual learning. Instead of teaching isolated facts, teachers should use advanced organizers to highlight key ideas and relationships between concepts. For example, before introducing a science unit on energy transfer, a teacher might discuss the general principles of energy conservation and transformation, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of specific processes like conduction and convection. Though, designing a structured curriculum. Hierarchical organization of curriculum. Ausubel advocated for a curriculum that is logically structured, with general, broad concepts introduced before specific details. Teachers should plan lessons so that students first grasp the overarching principles before diving into the specifics. For example, in a biology course, a teacher might start with general principles of life processes, such as metabolism or growth, before discussing individual species and ecosystems. Spiral curriculum. Ausubel's theory supports the idea of a spiral curriculum, where concepts are revisited and expanded upon over time. This reinforces meaningful learning, as new material is constantly being linked to previously learned content. Teachers should design curricula that gradually increase in complexity, reinforcing foundational ideas at each stage. 3. Scaffolding learning for diverse learners. Differentiated instruction. Ausubel's theory underscores the importance of recognizing students' prior knowledge and experiences. Teachers should differentiate instruction by providing advanced organizers that cater to the different cognitive levels of learners. For example, in a mixed ability classroom, a teacher might present more simplified organizers for struggling students and more complex ones for advanced learners, ensuring that all students can connect new information to their existing knowledge base. Supporting struggling learners, advanced organizers are particularly helpful for students who have difficulty organizing information. They provide a framework that helps these students better understand and remember new material. For instance, in language arts, a graphic organizer that outlines the structure of a novel, introduction, rising action, climax, resolution, can help students who struggle with reading comprehension. 4. Promoting active engagement. Encouraging active learning. Advanced organizers prompt students to actively engage with new material by helping them connect it to what they already know. Teachers can encourage active participation by involving students in creating their own organizers before a lesson. For example, students can brainstorm what they already know about a topic and what they hope to learn, which helps them engage more meaningfully with new information. Questioning and discussion. Teachers can use advanced organizers to stimulate questions and discussions before introducing new material. By posing questions that relate to students' prior knowledge, teachers can help students anticipate what they will learn, making the learning experience more interactive and engaging. 5. Retention and long-term learning. Enhancing retention. Since meaningful learning is more likely to be retained, teachers should focus on deepening students' understanding through the use of advanced organizers. Revisiting these organizers at the end of a unit helps reinforce connections between concepts, aiding in long-term retention. For example, after completing a unit on geography, a teacher might use the same map-based organizer that was introduced at the beginning of the unit to review key concepts. Minimizing forgetting. Since rote learning is more prone to forgetting, advanced organizers can minimize forgetting by linking new material to concepts that are already well understood. Teachers can periodically revisit organizers throughout the academic year to reinforce key ideas and promote retention. Conclusion. David Ausubel's advanced organizer theory emphasizes the importance of meaningful learning over rote memorization. The theory suggests that new information is best learned when it is connected to existing knowledge, and advanced organizers serve as an effective tool to facilitate this process. By providing an overview or conceptual framework before introducing new material, advanced organizers help learners organize and assimilate information into their cognitive structures. Educationally, Ausubel's theory has significant implications for curriculum design, teaching strategies, and student engagement. Teachers who use advanced organizers promote deeper understanding, enhance retention, and support students in building connections between new and existing knowledge. This leads to more effective learning and fosters a richer educational experience for students across a variety of subjects.